Welcome back. In this video, we'll be covering the media library of your website. The media library is where files such as images and documents are stored. Anytime you add a new image or PDF document to the site, it will live in the media library. To access the media library, log into your Gradelink website and click Media. Please beware that if you delete a file from the media library that is being displayed or linked to on the website, it will eventually display a broken link where the image or document was originally placed. You'll just need to make sure a file is no longer being used or linked to before removing it from the library. To add a new file to the library, click the Add New button near the top of the screen. Next, click Select Files. This will open up a window where you can navigate to photos or other files stored on your computer and upload them to the library. Once you've uploaded a file, it will appear in the top left corner of the library. From the library page, you may click on any file to view and edit its properties. As you can see here, there is a public URL for each of the files in the media library. This is useful if you want to link to a file like a PDF document on your website. A common use case for schools would be the Student Parent Handbook. If you upload a PDF, such as the Student Parent Handbook, to the media library, you can copy the file URL and link to it from an email, a Smart Send message in Gradelink SIS, or anywhere on the website using the hyperlink functionality. Note that most of the other attachment fields such as title, caption, and description are optional, although you may want to fill some of them out if you're looking to perform any additional SEO optimization on your website. The alternative text field, or alt text, is a description of the image that can be read by screen reading software and can help make your website more accessible to visually impaired users. At this point, we've covered all the basics of the Media tab, and you're ready to proceed to the next lesson.